Today we're going to do slope and linear equations. And the first thing you need to know is that slope is also called rate of change. It's shown by the variable m. This is the formula to find it. y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And you've sometimes heard it said rise over run. You can find slope if you're just given 2 points. You can find slope from a graph. You can find slope from a table. In any of these instances, you take 2 points. You'd take 2 points and you'd plug them into this formula, and in this case 5 minus 2 over 7 minus 4 reduces to 3 over 3, which is simply 1. Some equation forms you need to remember: slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b, m is your slope, b is your y-intercept, and point-slope form, y minus y sub 1 equals m times x minus x sub 1. Again, m is your slope, x sub 1 and y sub 1 is the point that you're given, and in both of these equations, y and x stay as variables. Parallel lines are 2 lines that will never cross. They will have the same slope. Perpendicular lines make a right angle. Their slopes are opposite reciprocals. So parallel lines would look like this, and perpendicular lines look like this. An opposite reciprocal is you flip the fraction and change the sign. So positive 2 becomes negative 1 over 2. Negative 5 over 7 becomes 5 over 7. So here's our example problem for the day. Write an equation in slope-intercept form for the line that passes through 5, negative 6, and is perpendicular to y equals negative 3 over 2x plus 7. The first thing is, what am I given in the problem? I'm given a point, and I'm given an equation that I'm perpendicular to this line. Perpendicular lines have opposite reciprocal slopes. Negative 3 over 2 is the slope of the given line. Here it is the slope of the given line. So the opposite reciprocal, 2 over 3, is my new slope. I now have a point and a slope. I should use point-slope form. Here's point-slope form. Here's when I plug in all the information. The negative 6 came from here. The negative 5 came from here. Positive 5 came from here, and my slope came from here. Now I've written it in point-slope form. The directions said slope-intercept. Here's the equation again. Put it in slope-intercept form. So the first thing I'm going to do is distribute this. I get y plus 6 equals 2/3 x minus 10/3. Then I need to combine like terms. This 6 needs to move to the other side of the problem, so I'm going to move it by changing the sign. Change the sign. Y is by itself. I'm done. My final answer is y equals 2/3 x minus 28/3.